TapScore offers 3 ways to test for PFAS in drinking water. In this video, we'll compare 3 EPA methods that test for PFAS to help you pick the right test kit. As always, each test provides everything you need to collect a sample. This includes free shipping to a certified lab for analysis using EPA-validated analytical methods. With TapScore, anyone can test their water like a pro. Our most popular PFAS test uses EPA method 537.1, a great all-round option that tests for 18 of the more well-known legacy forever chemicals, including PFOA and PFAS. For a more thorough analysis of PFAS in drinking water, we recommend the Gen X and PFAS water test kit. Utilizing EPA method 533, it tests for 25 PFAS compounds total, 14 of the same compounds as our standard kit, plus 11 short-chain PFAS compounds. Short-chain compounds are increasingly used as replacements for the legacy long-chain compounds, but still have health impacts. EPA method 533 is also a newer and more sensitive testing method compared to EPA method 537.1. If you really want to go deep, the EPA 1633 test is the most comprehensive analytical method we have. Accurately detect concentrations of over 40 different PFAS compounds. Don't know where to start? Opt for the Gen X and PFAS kit. It's also available with faster turnaround and free overnight shipping if you choose the Rush version. We'll leave links in the description below. And if you need advice, our customer support team of water quality experts are always happy to chat. Drop us a line at mytapscore.com or leave a comment.